You got an RP23 Fox Float RP23. Sorry, it's backwards. RP23, this is the damper. That's the air piston kit. Or the air piston. And we sell full suspension Fox RP23, and that's part number 101-20100. That includes all the parts for RP2s, RP3s, RP23s, and Triads. Anything with a 3/8 damper, which is 9.5 millimeters. 3/8 equals 9.5 millimeters. WSS air can kit. Specially designed quad seal. Has just a slight variation between the quads, between the seals, the 4 lobes, I guess I should say. And we sell 180 cc's of RSF medium 10 weight from Torco. We repackage it. So 180 cc's, you don't have to buy a whole quart or a liter. And if your shock is doing that, it is time for a service. It's also a good opportunity to inspect it, make sure everything's not broken, damaged, wore out. When you're doing a service, you can do a service in your house. What you'll need is basically those 3 items: service kit for the damper, service kit for the air can kit, and a oil and RSF medium from Torco is basically the same stuff. And to inflate it, so at the end of it, nitrogen, we're going to inflate it with nitrogen. You need a needle. This is from the last service. It bent the needle a little bit. I'm gonna replace that. And a 4mm adapter that screws into there. And allows you to poke in there, twist that. Right below that wax pellet is a 4mm Allen screw and a nitrogen port pellet. So this is rubber. You're basically going to be jamming through that, inflating it to this is actually a boost valve, so it has 250 psi inside of it. That's what activates the boost valve. Gives you that static pressure. And you go from there.